Welcome to JMG Tint Wraps. Today I'm going to show you how to install this back window. So it's not like the typical back window where it's straight up, it has an angle, so then you have an angle here. Could be a little bit more troublesome to work with, so I'll go ahead and show you the steps. First step is always to clean the window. What I'm using is a plastic blade so it doesn't damage the glass. We're going to clean it. I'm going to lower the window down. We're going to lower it down to where the full top line is exposed so that we can see it all. And we're going to take our rag. We're going to run across the top edge. We want to get whatever dirt will be there. Nice and clean. Final squeegee. Gonna come to the other side. I always like to move the film down before I try peeling the vacuum paper off, so that this way the top stays on the glass. Easier. We're gonna bring it just about 1.5 inches past. We're gonna clean our fingers. So have nice clean fingers before we touch the film. First corner we're gonna get in is front corner. We're gonna do our triangle right here. Slide the film in. I'm using my fingers to press the film on the glass and on the edge so that it creates a little bit of a gapping for me. I'm gonna just slide the film over. Again, using my fingers to create more of a gap. Then I'm gonna get the film in the position I want it to be in, which is right here. Now we're ready to seal it. Seal it just a little bit. Pick the film up, roll the window up. So you give it a good wet, and you're gonna peel back very slowly. And you're gonna let the film curl in how it wants to curl in there. Okay? We'll do the same thing on this side. Using my pinky right here to hold the film kind of down. You can always take this step slow, it's fine. And you want to make sure you give it a good wet on the inside. Go after one corner at a time. I like using my nails a lot to just slide the tint across. By doing with my nails, my fingers never end up gripping. So I make sure that I keep the film sliding around. My triangle. So right now I'm using my triangle to press against the gap, because all this film lifting up is due to too much air behind the film. So we're trying to release that. Now the film is perfectly laid on the glass, so this is when you can do your squeegee. you go.